Hello kids, how are you? I am Payal Monga and welcome to your EVS class. So today we are going to do the book work and notebook work of chapter number 4, our first school. Okay kids, now let's start the book work of chapter number 4, our first school. So previously we have learned about that how our family is our first school and our parents are our first teachers, and we learn so many things from our family and family members. Okay, so today we are going to do the bookwork of this chapter. So kids, most of the bookwork you have to do it on your own and discuss with your family. Okay, I will tell you that how you can do it. Okay, so draw or paste a picture of your family. So here in this box you have to paste a picture of your family, and if you can draw it, and that is even better. Okay, after that, who all are there in your family, write their names and how they are related to you. So here you have to write the name of your family member, and after that you will write the relationship that you are having with them. Okay, for example, if your mother's name is Ria, then here you will write Ria, and what is your relation with her? That is mother. She is your mother. So in the relationship you will write mother. Just like that, if your father's name is Raj, then here you will write his name Raj, and here you will write the relation, that is father. Okay, so just like that, here you will write the name of your family members, and here you will write the relationship that you are having with them. Okay, now let's continue. Now we will do the page number 26. Okay, write the relationship between any two members of your family, such as husband, wife, brother, sister, mother, daughter. So here you will write names of two members of your family. Okay, for example, if your mother's name is Ria and your father's name is Raj, so here you will write their names. After that, here you will write their relationship. So their relationship is husband and wife. Okay, so just like that, here you will write the family member name, and here you will write their relationship. Okay, you can do this by discussing with your family, your parents. Okay, after this, what do your family members call you lovingly? Do you have a pet name? So we will do this question in our notebook. Okay, some questions we will do in notebook and some questions we will do in bookwork. Okay, so we will do this question in our notebook. I will tell you about it later. Okay, so let's continue. Two persons in the picture look a lot like each other. How do you think they are related? Now look at these pictures. Okay, you can see these two girls. They look very similar, right? So we can say that they are sisters. Family members look like each other. They always resemble each other. Now let's continue. Page number 27. Is there any similarity between you and any other member of your family? In the way you talk, walk, smile, or even in your looks. So there is some similarity between the family members. You always resemble your parents or your family members in some way. So here you will write that how you look similar, what is the similarity between you and your family members, with whom and how. So here you will write that particular similarity. I am just giving you an example. Okay, you will discuss it with your parents, and after that you will write here that answer. Okay, for example, you can write here, I am quite similar to my father in looks. मैं अपने पापा जैसा दिखता हूँ. So your answer could be different also. Okay, this is just for your reference. Okay, now let's continue. let us now read about Anwari's family. The older member of Anwari's family work as dhobis. You know who are dhobis? Who wash clothes. Okay. Now, so here is Anwari, and what is their family business? That they are dhobis. Okay. All the family members lend a hand in washing, drying, and ironing of the clothes. So all the family of Anwari help each other in their family business. Okay, Anwari and her cousin Tawfiq are also learning the work done by the family. That Anwari and her cousin also learning that work and help their family. Okay, is your family involved in any particular work? If yes, then what is it? So you will discuss it with your parents. Then after that you will write here the answer. So this answer is just for your reference. Okay. Yes, most of my family members are lawyers. So you will discuss first with your parents. After that you will write here the answer. Okay. Do you help the family with the work? And are you helping in that particular work? If yes, then how? If no, then you will write here no. Okay. We learn many things from our family members. Anwari and her cousin learned cycling from her uncle. You also learned many things from your family. What and from whom? Has anyone learned anything from you? So here you will have to tell that what are the things that you have learned from your family. Okay, we will do this question in a notebook. Okay, and how, I will tell you about it later. Think and write. So first you read these lines, then think what could be the answer, then here you will write the answers. We have done this previously also. We will do this in a book. Okay, when I am sad, I go to, here you will write the answer. So when you feel sad, so you think about which your family member, that particular family member help you or boost you. So here you will write that answer. So you can write here, I go to my mother, father, grandfather, grandmother. So here you will write that answer. Okay, when I want to know about the past, I go to my, so here you will write which family member. So here you will write that answer. Okay, when I want to share my secrets, I go to my, so with which family member you like to share your secrets. So here you will write that answer. Okay, first you will think, then you will write. Okay, when I do something wrong, I go to my, so when you do something wrong and you are scared, then what you will do, which family member you will tell about. So here you will write the answer. Okay, now let's continue. Page number 29. Everyone removed their shoes before entering the house. This is the practice in Surekha's family. So in Surekha's family, it is like a custom that everybody remove their shoes before entering the house. So no one is allowed with their shoes in the house. Some of Surekha's friends enter her house without removing their shoes. So once Surekha's some friends come over, then they enter the house without removing their shoes. Surekha's grandfather gets angry at that. So Surekha's grandfather doesn't like that they don't follow the custom of the family. Okay, so he gets angry. Are there any particular practices followed by your family? So is there any particular practice that you and your family follow? So what are those? So here you will write that answer. This answer is just for your reference. You can write some different answer also. Okay, we take bath and worship God in the morning. Okay, after that, which practices you and your family do to keep your house and surroundings clean? So what are the things that you and your family do keep to your house and surroundings clean. It is very important to keep our house and surroundings clean. Okay, so we will do this question also in our notebook. Okay, does any member of your family have any particular habit like laughing loudly or singing when they are happy? Imitate them. So you will discuss it with your family members and your parents. Okay, how do you show respect to elders in your family? So how do you show the respect to the elders in your family? So we will also do this question in your notebook. Okay, so this is the bookwork of your chapter Our First School. Then discuss it with your parents and complete it as soon as possible. Okay, now I am going to tell you that which questions of chapter number 4 you have to write in the notebook. Okay, so first of all you will write the chapter number 4. After that, heading Our First School. Okay, here you will write the date and here you will write the page number. So question number 1 is, what do your family members call you lovingly? Do you have a pet name? How do you call your family members? So here you will have to write your name and do you have a pet name? If yes, then you will write the answer. My family members call me. So here you will write your name, and if you have a pet name, then yes, I have a pet name. Then here you will write that pet name. And I call my father as, and how you call your father, like daddy or papa or anything else. And mother, how you call your mother, mama or mummy or anything else. So you will discuss it with your parents, and after that you will write here the answers. Okay, so next question is, you learn so many things from your family, what and from whom? So here you will have to write that what are the things that you have learned from your family. So once again your answer could be different, so this answer is just for your reference. Okay, I have learned etiquette from my father and punctuality from my mother. Okay, after that drop one line. Question number 3, has anyone learned anything from you? So here you can write, my brother have learned sharing from me. Okay, so this answer is also just for your reference. Question number 4, which practices you and your family do to keep your house and the surrounding clean? Answer is, we always keep our house and the surrounding clean by dusting and brooming. Okay, now question number 5, how do you show respect to elders in your family? And the answer could be, I show respect to my elders by touching their feet and following what they say. So these are the questions that you have to write in your notebook. Okay, so now the bookwork and the notebook work of chapter number 4, Our First School, is done.